What up folks, Alex here. This is a rare video for me because this is a vlog. But you're going to start seeing more of these on the channel because I'm going to try and commit to doing more vlogs. Now that I've got this Osmo Pocket, which I really do like, I'm going to start using it more to create more vlogs, hopefully one every week or two at least. I don't really have much exciting thing going on. I get up, I go to the gym, I go to work, I come home, I walk the dogs, I have dinner, and then I make time to do some fun stuff. But that's about it really. But I'm going to try really hard to make some vlogs. For a couple of reasons really. One, I'm not very good at doing this talking to camera. I can do it at home in my little room where I'm alone, but out in public I don't feel very confident with it. I feel really self-conscious, so this should help with that. I'm also generally not very good at just talking off the cuff. I'm much better when I prepare what I need to say, and again, hopefully this will help with that. And then also, it will just get me editing more. The more I can do, the more I'm going to improve, the more I'm going to get better and better and better. So I figured vlogging, best way to go. Edit them as best I can, and hopefully all of those three things will start to improve. So now is also a good time to let you know that the vast majority of footage you're going to see in these vlogs is recorded on the Osmo Pocket. So they're going to be 24 or 60 frames per second and at 1080p. Quick interjection folks, this is the setup we're using. We've got the Osmo Pocket via a data port mount with a GoPro style adapter. On there is a standard tripod mount, and we have a Joby GorillaPod 500. The reason I use the tripod is A, so I can plonk it down anywhere I like. It has quite a narrow field of view, and the tripod just allows you to get it further from your face, making the field of view just that little bit wider, so there's not so much face in the shot. Currently as well, I have no microphone for the Pocket, so everything you're going to hear will be recorded on the internal microphone. I do want to find a better solution for that because it's okay. It's not bad in certain situations, but it's not to the standard that I would like it to be. There is a 3.5mm adapter for the Osmo Pocket, but it's impossible to get hold of at the moment in the UK. I could get an external audio recorder and then use like a lav mic or something, but it's an extra thing to carry around, and I've got to sync it all. So we're going to leave it be for now, and we shall see what happens. Do it. As you all know, if you've followed my channel even for a small amount of time, I do all my editing using DaVinci Resolve. But there's a problem with DaVinci Resolve, and that is that it takes quite a lot of resources. And if I'm going to do these vlogs, I need to make it as easy as possible. Now I have this. This is a Surface Pro. It's an i5, 8GB of RAM, 128GB storage. I use it mainly for web browsing, word processing. I write some like scripts on it, do a bit of research and that sort of thing. It kind of struggles with DaVinci Resolve. So for these vlogs, I'm going to edit using Filmora. Now I used to use Filmora back in the day. It's not free, but it's also not the most expensive thing in the world. But the joy of it is it has lots of effects. It does things quite neatly and quickly, and it's not very resource heavy. This thing will run it quite well for 1080p, 24 and 60 frames per second. Now I'm still going to use DaVinci Resolve for everything else. I'm still going to do my 5-minute Fridays. That's going to be using DaVinci Resolve, and that's going to be upstairs on the main PC. But for the vlogs, because it's additional, I want to be able to do it on the go, so we're going to do it on there. So, I hear you ask, if you're going to be editing using a different system, how is that going to make you better at editing? Because I'm a systems guy. I'm good at systems. I learned to use DaVinci Resolve pretty quick up to the point where I am now. I've still got more that I could learn. I'm not a particularly arty guy. I struggle with the creative, aesthetic, artistic side of video making rather than the system side. I'm good at that bit, I'm not so good at the other bit. As long as I'm making more videos and I'm editing more, I should get better at this whole filmmaking process. Weekday beer. Now, what I'm also going to do, open that, is I'm going to limit. Oh, don't do it. Now, what I'm also going to do to make sure that I do this and to keep consistent, to make life easier, is I'm going to limit myself to about an hour and a half of editing time, and that's it. So there may be imperfections. It might not be perfect vlogs. It might not have the best, most well-crafted, super edited bits in it. But if I try and spend too long on it, I'm going to get annoyed with it and I won't do it. So to keep it easy and to keep me consistent, I'm going to limit myself. And what I'd really like is for you guys to do it with me, or some of you to do the same thing. If you're trying to improve your editing or your skills, the easiest thing to do is just to do it more. Repetition is one of the best ways to learn things, as we all know. So if you currently do vlogs every now and again, or you're only putting out videos every couple of months, maybe try and do this with me. Make it as easy as possible. Limit your editing time so you get quicker, you get snappier, and see if you can do the same thing. I don't know if I'm going to be able to stick to it. I'm going to try really hard. I don't know if these videos are going to be interesting at all. They might completely suck, but I don't know until I try. So I'm going to give it a go. So comment below if you're going to try it. Let me know. I'll head over to your channel. I'll give you a subscribe and we can do it all together, and it should be quite good fun. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you pop a comment below. Let me know if you're going to try and do some vlogs with me. It'd be awesome if some of you can. I'll be back some point very soon with a 5-Minute Friday, so keep your eyes peeled for that. As always, thumbs up, subscribes, all that other nonsense. Take it easy, folks. See you next time. Bye.